Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we discussed about the definition of relation and Cartesian product also. Today, we will discuss some question related to the exercise 2.2. Okay, there are total 26 question in exercise 2.2, but I would like to solve 4-5 question so that you can get a concept behind this exercise, and with the help of given example you try to solve all the questions. I want to tell you in the beginning of the video that if you have any doubt, so you can use your WhatsApp group, and through Campus Care also you can ask your doubt. In comment section of the YouTube also you can ask your question. Okay, here first of all I would like to solve exercise 2.2 question number 1. The first question of this exercise is, if A and B are two sets such that cardinal number of A is equal to 2. Cardinal number of A is equal to 2 means number of element in this set is 2, and the cardinal number of B is equal to 3 means number of element in this set is 3. Then we have to find the number of relations from A to B, B to A, and A to A. Here number of relations means we have to find Cartesian product between A to B, means A cross B we have to find here. Here we have to find B cross A, and here we have to find A cross A. Okay, but before starting the solution of this question, let us think something about the number of subset. Number of subsets. Dear student, you all are familiar with the subsets. Okay, in chapter first we know that if we have a set A, that is 1, 2, 3, and according to this here cardinal number of A is equal to 3. Okay, then total number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8. Okay, and if we try to find its subsets of A, then it will be 5 here. Subsets of A will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, and here the last one 1, 2, and 3. Total number of subsets, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, where this is called improper subset. Here the subset is, here this is a subset which is the set itself, or we can say the set is subset of itself. Therefore this is the improper subset of set A. But here 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3 are called the proper subset. Okay, therefore the number of proper subset is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1, that will be 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is number of proper subset. There are only one improper subset or any particular set, that is the set itself. Okay, now here A is equal to this much, then we use this formula. Okay, it means if any set, if any set has an element, okay, if any set has an element, then number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to the power n. We use this concept here. Okay. Now the first one here, first one a to b means we have to find a cross and the question is find the number of relations from a cross b means we have to find a cross b means finally we have to find this. Our question is about this thing. For getting this we have to find a cross b first. Okay, a cross b in detail. Okay, we know that cardinal number of a cross b is equal to cardinal number of a into cardinal number of b. We know this. Since cardinal number of a is given, that is 2 here, cardinal of a is equal to 2 and cardinal number of 3 is equal to cardinal number of b. Okay. Cardinal number of b is equal to 3. Since if we want to find Cartesian product of a cross b, it is not possible here because the element, only number of element is given. What is the element? It is not given. So therefore it is not possible to find without element. But here we can find this. Therefore cardinal number of a cross b is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Therefore total number of subsets of a cross b is equal to 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 and which is equal to 2 to the means we have to multiply that 6 times and its value will be 64. Okay, this is the total solution of this a to b. But we have to think formula. Let if this is equal to m, okay, now I am discussing about the formula. If this is equal to m and this equal to k, then its value will be mk, that is mk. Okay, therefore the total number of subset of a cross b is 2 to the power mk. Okay, and we know that each cross product each product here, Cartesian product, given a relation. Therefore their number of relation is equal to 2 to the power mk also. So here total number of subset of a cross b is equal to 2 to the power mk, and therefore number of relation means total number of relation. Therefore total number of relation is equal to 2 to the power mk. Now let us think again about the question. So here what is this? That is Cartesian number of element for set a is equal to 2. Cardinal number of b is equal to 3. Cardinal number of a cross b is equal to 23. Therefore its value will be 6. Therefore its value will be 6 means 64. Therefore its value will be 6, or directly we can write here 64. Okay, actually this is very simple. Simply we want to find this value. Why we want to find this? Because each Cartesian product, the element of each Cartesian product give the relation. Therefore first of all we find the total number of subset of this. That will be like this way we can find the solution of question number 1. Now let us see the second part. Here also we have to find, according to question, we have to find Cartesian product of the cross, because each element gives number of each element represent a relation. Each represent a relation. So therefore, here we can write Cartesian product of B cross A is equal to Cartesian product of B into Cartesian product of A. This is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Therefore, number of subsets of B cross A is equal to 2 to the power 6 is equal to 60. Therefore, number of relations from B to A, or symbolically we can write B cross A is equal to 64. Okay, simply third one also. A to A means we have to find Cartesian product of A cross A, which is equal to Cartesian number of A into Cartesian number of A, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, number of means total number of, if our total number of subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 to the power 6 not 4. Therefore, total number of relation from A to A is equal to 32. Not 32, that is 60. Okay, here it will be 60. In this way we can solve this question. Now let us see question number 5. This question. Here given A is given. A means question number 5, if a non-empty set A is equal to 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and R is the relation from A to B defined by, there is a relation and that relation is defined by like this, means X, Y, first element related to A and the second element related to B, such that what is the condition? The value of X should be less than Y. Okay. So here A is given according to question 2, 3, 5. B is what? That is 2, 4, 6. Then A cross B is what? What we can write? A cross B. We know that in ordered pair it is only. So here 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 6, again 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, again 5, 2, 5, 4 and here 5, 6. Total number of element is equal to cardinal number of A into cardinal number of B, that is 3 to 3, that is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we have to find the relation. Since what is the relation? Definition of relation is what? We have to take that element from A cross B, for which the first element such that the X belongs to A, Y belongs to B, but value of X should be less than Y. According to this will be what? X should be less than Y. It will be 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 6. Here it is not possible. According to definition, it is not possible. Here it is also not possible, because the first term, that is X, should be less than the second term. So therefore it is not possible. Here it is possible, means 3, 4 we can write. Here 3, 4 and after that 3, 6 also. 3, 6. Then here 5, 2 is not possible. 5, 4 is also not possible. Then here 5 and 6. It means write R in roster form, means we have to write R like this. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can check the answer also. Let us check. 2.2, question number 5, that is 24, 26, 34, 24, 26, 34, 36 and 6. In this way you can solve this question. Means totally question whatever given in this chapter, in this exercise, that is related to the basic definition of a relation and Cartesian product. Okay, the concept of Cartesian product. Now let us see the question number, after that question number 10 and question number 15. Let us see question number 10. According to question number 10, write the following relation in the roster form. We have to find the relation in roster form, where the definition of the relation is x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. We have to concentrate here. What is x? Is a prime number less than 10. So first of all, we should write solution, and here number, or we can write prime number less than 10 are the prime numbers less than 10 are what? The smallest prime number is 2. After that 3. Then 5. After that 7. Okay. So first one. So the required relation in roster form are, so the required relations in roster form are, first one, what is this? X cube. Then R is equal to, means relation, according to definition of the relation, x cube means here 2 and 2 cube means 2 cube here. After that 3 cube, again 5 cube, and here 7 cube, 7 cube. Then its value will be what? It will be 2 8, here 3 27, here 5 125, and 7 and cube of 7, I think 243. 243. Cube of 7 is 243. That will be 243. Not 243. That is 343. 343. Okay. This is the required relation according to first question. Okay. Now let us see here the second part of the question. Here this is the question number 15, but here I am solving this question. Second part, R is equal to x minus 2x square, and x is a prime number less than, not 2, less than 10. It should be less than 10. Less than 10 here also. In both condition less than 10. Again the required prime number will be 2 3 5 7. So the required relation in roster form, R is equal to, here look, x minus 2 x square. So put x minus 2. The first number is 2. Then 2 minus 2 will be 0. 2 minus 2. X is 2. Here x square means 2 square. That is 4. After that 3 minus 2, that will be 1. And here 3 square means 9. Okay. Now we will take here 5. And 5 minus 2 will be 3. And 5 square will be 25. That is 25. And here the last, we just complete 2, 3 and 5. After that 7. 7 minus 2 will be 5, and 7 square will be 14. Okay. Here the required relation in roster form will be 0 4 1 9 3 25 and 5 14. Like this way we can solve this question number 10. Now let us see question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. Determine the domain and the range of a relation R defined by R like this way, where x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, let us see a relation 2 set x, and here this is a relation R. Okay, x, if here x, then here x plus 5. We have a relation, but what should be the value of x? The value of x should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if we add 0 plus 5, then it will be 5, like this way. If we put 1, then it will be 1 plus 5, that will be 6. 2, 2 plus 5, 7. 3, 3 plus 5, 8. 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 5, 5 plus 5, that is 10. Okay. And what is domain here? Domain means the first term of the ordered pair. That will be domain. And we have to find the range. The range means the element in the this from which the first term is related. That is the range. Means only that element of this set from which the element of this set is related. Therefore, domain is equal to what? That will be domain. Domain will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here range. Range is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this. In this way, we can find it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you want to write the set in roster form, so we can write like this way: 0, 5, 0, 5. After that, 1, 6, 1, 6. Again, 2, 7, 2, 7. 3, 8. Here, 3, 8. After that, 4, 9. Here, 4, 9. 5, 10. Here, 5 and 10. Like this. Okay. Again, what I told? The first term or the first element of the ordered pair is domain, and the second term will be here range. Second term will be range. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the domain, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 range. Okay, this is the solution. Now let us see one more question, that is, let us solve question number 25. Which question? That is question number 15. After that, 2 questions more I will solve. That is question number 20 and 25. Let us see question number 20. If R is the relation on N and for natural number defined by R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 12 by x, where xy belongs to natural number. Then we have to find in this condition R in roster form, the second domain of R, and the third range of R. According to this, if we put since R is equal to what? Xy such that y is equal to x plus 12 by x, and here xy belongs to natural number. Xy belongs to natural number. Then R is equal to what? R is equal to what? Look here. Here both are belongs to n. So we can take x only natural number and y only natural number. If x is equal to 1, that is, if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? 1 plus 12 by 1. Why? Because x is 1. Already I take. Here x I take 1. Why 1? Because natural number started from 1. So obviously I have to take 1. So if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? 1 plus 12 by 1. 12 by 1 is equal to 12. So 12 and this one is equal to 30. Here it will be 30. Okay. Now, if x is equal to 2, then what is the value of y? 2 plus 12 by 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 plus here 2 plus 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 6 and 2 8. It will be 8. Now put here x. Okay. Similarly, if we take x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 plus 12 by 3. And 12 by 3 is equal to 3 4 12 means 4 and 3 is 7. Okay. Now, if we take x is equal to 4, then 12 by 4, that is 4 3 are 12 and it is 7. Is something wrong? Here 3 and 3 4 are 12, 4 3 7. Okay. 4, okay. No, correct. Correct. After that, what we can take? Can we take 5? Yes, we can take. But what happened? If we take 5, then it will be 5 plus 12 by 5. And 12 by 5 was what? That will be decimal. And the total value will be in decimal, which is not natural number. Therefore, we cannot take 5. Therefore, we cannot take value of x as 5. We can take 6. Why? Because if we take 6, then 6 plus 12 by 6, it will be 2. Then the value of y will be 8. That is natural number. We can take 6. Can we take 7? No, we cannot take 7. Again it will be whatever value of y will come, that will not be natural number. Therefore, we cannot take value of x is equal to 7. Why? Here condition x, y should be natural number. Not only x, value of y should also be natural number. But if we take x is equal to 6, x is equal to 7, then 7 plus 12 by 7, which will not be equal to a natural number. Therefore, we cannot take 7. Similarly, we cannot take 8 also, we cannot take 9 also, we cannot take 10 also, 11 also. We are able to take 12. So here, if we take 12, then what happens? 12. Here 12 plus 12 by 12. 1. So 12 plus 1, 30. Here. This is, after that, if again we take, at the place of x, if we take 13, 14, 15, 16, after that, then whatever number will come, that will be only in fraction form or in decimal form, which is not natural number. Therefore, we cannot take, according to this definition of the relation, we cannot take value of x in natural number. Because if we take any more natural number which is greater than 12, the value of y will not be natural. Therefore, according to relation, only this will be the element of this relation. In this condition, this is the answer of the first question. Now, second, we have a domain of R. Domain of R. So simply, what is the domain of R? The first element of the relation, that is the domain of R. So what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12? That is the domain of R. 1, that is the domain of R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. After that, third one, what is the range of R? Range of R. range of R. Range of R is what? The second element of the relation. The second element of the 13, 8, 7, 7, 8, 13. Okay? 13, 8, here 13, then 8, then 7, then 7, then 8, then 13. If you write like this way, then also correct. Okay, but we know that one number cannot be repeated. Okay, we just erase it. Here 8, erase this. 13, no need to write. Therefore, in domain, in code, in range, what is the value? Only 13, 8, 7. 13, 8, 7. One student asked through WhatsApp that, sir, can we write like this way also? Or we have to write 7, 8, 9, 10? What should be better? There is no any hard and fast rule. We can write 13, 8, 7 also. We can write 7, 8, 13 also. We can write, the place may be different, no problem. Okay, in all condition, the answer will be correct. Okay. Now let us see the last question of this video class, that is question number 25. Let us see. Here I am not going to write the question. Find the let R is equal to the relation of the relation is given. R is equal to R equal to like this way, x y in order pair, and definition of x y is like this way, both x and y are integer, and definition of y is equal to 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4. Okay, if a minus 2 and 4 b square belongs to R, so since a minus 2, here a minus 2 belongs to R and 4b square is also belongs to R, then we have to find the value of a. Find a and b. Okay, very good question. Let us see how we should solve this. Here the relation is given like this way, x and y are given. Here y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, 2x minus 4. So here, since y is equal to 2x minus 4 and a minus 2 belongs to R, therefore here also this, the relation between first term and second term will be like this way. Try to understand. According to definition, the relation between x and y is equal to 2x minus 4. Therefore, a minus 2 belongs to R. And the definition of a and minus 2 will be same like this. Means second term, that is minus 2, is equal to 2 into x, means first term, that is a, minus 4 like this. Getting? Here the second term is equal to 2 into first term minus 4. So here also like that way. Second term, that is minus 2, is equal to 2 into first term, that is a, minus 4. That's fine. Now what? Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2a. Then 2a is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. And this implies that a is equal to 1. Very simple. This is the answer of the a, that is 1. Now let us see what is the value of b. Very simple question, but it will be more easy if you solve all the example question. If you are not getting time to solve all the example question, at least you should make one reading of all the example question and all the theoretical portion whatever given in the book. After that, more than 90% question you will be able to solve by yourself. Okay, let us see the second thing. Again, 4b square, 4b square. Here 4b square, okay, which is belongs to, again, since 4b square belongs to R, b square belongs to R, and we know that y is equal to 2x minus 4. We know that the second term is equal to 2 into first term minus 4, like this way. Okay, so here also it will satisfy this second term, that is b square, is equal to 2 into first term, that is minus 4 minus 4. This implies that b square is equal to 8 minus 4. This implies that b square is equal to 4. This implies that b is equal to plus minus under root 4. So hence b is equal to plus minus 2. Okay, and therefore answer is what? Answer a is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus minus 2. Okay, this is the total regarding the exercise 2.2. I hope you will do your best and complete up to exercise 2.2. Our next video class will be RF3, a relation function third part. Here this is relation function second part. Previous video was relation function first part. So here the series of this topic, the series of the video of this chapter relation and function will be RF1, RF2, RF3, like that. Okay, so now in next video class we will discuss about the functions, only functions. Thank you.